Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So what is your favorite strategy while you are trading binary options? If you have any, please do comment in the comment section below. So let's get started in our today's trading. So as you know, I love to use the candlestick that is called Heikinasi. It shows us a clear trend on where actually the market is moving. So let me see here what I can trade. Okay, I'll be making a trade of $10. So we have a purchase time of 42 seconds. 42 seconds. So let me see on another. Oh, this is a bit worst. So okay, so the market is going flat, as you can see. Now in such condition, I would prefer to either trade from top or below. So it is going to the top, so let it move a little bit up and I'll make the trade. Move a little bit up, down, middle, so either it should be here or here. So it is going up, go a little bit up, so I made a trade from there. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, Heikinasi clearly shows us if the market is going up or if the market is coming down or if it is flat. So chances maybe that it may break out and go up, that is a probability, but till now it seems fine. But let's see. 6 second, 5 second, 4 second, 3 2 1, and boom, we made $9.20. Now let's see on another chart. So here we can see that market is clearly going below. Okay, let's see in another, where is the market going today? So it is a little bit flat, if I could make a buy from here, let me invest $10. So I'll still make the buy because it seems like it will go up, because this is a type of resistance, it have made a flat move and it is trying to go up, but I may be wrong, but seems like I may be right. So you need to have a much experience on reading chart. It would not be like you will be always right. Sometimes you may go wrong. So here is a falling candle and I can see the pattern that it is coming up to this much down and it is going up. So in such condition, even if it is falling, I would make a trade by clicking on buy if it is in the tip, okay, in the top while it is falling. So okay, I made a buy here. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, the pattern of the candles here comes down, it makes a long stick, that's why I made this trade. So you can practice it, see how okay, this time I got wrong, but no worries. This candlestick chart type is called Heikinasi and I love this type of chart. Okay, so we made a loss here, but no problem, after all we made some profit. So this much for today's video. I'll make another video soon. Till then, take care, have a great day ahead. Please do subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and please do like this video. Bye bye.